Hi everyone! Today I'm going to explain to you guys about a problem-solving machine developed by humans that is called machine learning. First and foremost, we should know the background of machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science which focuses on the use of data and algorithms to imitate the way that humans learn, gradually improving its accuracy. The term machine learning was coined in 1959 by Arthur Samuel, an IBM employee and pioneer in the field of computer gaming and artificial intelligence. Modern-day machine learning have two objectives. One is to classify data based on models which have been developed. The other purpose is to make predictions for future outcomes based on these models. But how does it work? It completes the task of learning from data with specific inputs to the machine. It's important to understand what makes machine learning work and thus how it can be used in the future. Steps in machine learning. Firstly, input training data into the selected algorithm. Training data be known or unknown data to develop the final machine learning algorithm. It does impact the algorithm. Secondly, new data is fed into the machine learning algorithm to test whether the algorithm works correctly. The prediction and results are then checked against each other. Thirdly, if the prediction and results don't match, the algorithm is retrained multiple times until the data scientist gets the desired outcomes. This enables the machine learning algorithm to continually learn on its own and produce the optimal answer, gradually increasing in accuracy over time. Types of machine learning. The first one is supervised learning, which divided into two components. Classifications is prediction of output based on input. Some common application of classification are spam filtering, sentiment analysis, and image recognition (DUL). For instance, classification algorithms include regression, decision trees, and support vector machines. Secondly, regression is also one of classifications. Regression is a prediction of a continuous output based on input. Some common applications are stock prices, estimating housing prices, and forecasting weather. For example, regression algorithms include linear, polynomials, and support vector regression. Now we move on to the next type of machine learning, which is unsupervised learning. This type is divided into three main components. First, clustering. What is clustering, you may ask? Clustering is process of grouping similar data points together on their attributes or features. The goal is to find natural grouping or clusters within the data. Other than that, association process of identifying relationships or associations between items and dataset. The goal is to find pattern in the data such as frequent item sets or rules that can be used to make predictions or recommendations. And the last component of unsupervised learning is dimensionality reduction. It is a process of reducing the number of variables or features in a data set while retaining the most important information. The goal is to simplify the data and make it easier to analyze and visualize. The last type of machine learning is reinforcement learning. Reinforcement involves an agent interacting with an environment to learn how to perform a task. Agent receives feedback in the form of rewards or punishments based on its action, and it learns to maximize its rewards over time. Machine learning is cool, right? Let's explore on how machine learning benefits us. First of all, it can easily identify patterns. Machine learning helps by reviewing large data, predicting risks, and forecasting future outcomes. Next up, it can work automatically without human intervention. It can do tasks and processes repetitively. Fun fact, machine learning can improve continuously by itself. It adapts to new data and improves its accuracy and efficiency. Moreover, machine learning is able to handle multiple data unlike humans. It uses algorithms to process data, analyze it thoroughly, and make suitable decisions. Machine learning also impacts the environment. It can optimize energy consumption, reduce waste, and monitor the weather. Now let's dive into the applications of machine learning in the real world. First, image recognition is done by machine learning. It can detect any objects, recognize faces, and classify images. Machine learning is also applied in the health industry. It helps us by predicting disease, drug discovery, and monitoring patients' health. Machine learning contributes the most in finance. It helps people to make correct decisions and detect fraud. Furthermore, product and content recommendations are mostly done by machine learning, such as Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon. Last but not least, machine learning also manages traffic, resources, and infrastructures. Although machine learning is great, there are many challenges and problems that occur. Insufficient or noisy data lead to inaccurate models. This would cause inaccuracy in findings. Unseen data is needed to produce higher accuracy and more dispersed result. Without this, the result gotten would be generalized and not specific. Uses AI and MML in sensitive area like law enforcement raises ethical questions, thus would lead to arguments and even more. Deep learning models can be hard to interpret DA, making it difficult to understand why a model made a specific prediction. ML models are vulnerable to ads attack, making it easier to manipulate the ML predictions. Therefore, the predictions would be corrupted. The future of machine learning. We can produce more powerful, durable, versatile, and flexible models that could help us in our daily life. More human-like language understanding. That would lead to better chatbots with casual and friendly tone. Enhance healthcare with improved knowledges in medicine field. This would increase the usage of machine learning in such a high-demand field. Personalized learning powered by AI will be more widespread and adapting the educational content to each individual's. With this, every child get the education they need without competing for it, as you can access it anytime, anywhere. Can generate art, music, and more to evolve. This would show us more of forms of art that we haven't discovered yet. Machine learning is an incredibly powerful tool. It promises to help solve some of our most pressing problems, as well as open up whole new worlds of opportunity.